Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the flat tire indicator of a Mercedes S Class 2006 model. After changing tire or repairing a flat tire, you have to reset it to get rid of the sign or indicator that comes up on the dashboard. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more videos. We have more than 350 other videos on how to reset some different stuff on different model cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. I had to search for myself, so I'm gonna spare you that time to search and I'm gonna show you how I did that. First of all, turn the ignition on. Then we're gonna use this menu over here. You can scroll through the menu by pressing these buttons. Go to surface area, and as you can see, this middle one is tire pressure. Press down, press OK, press another OK, and it asks me if the tire pressure is okay. And when you have all four tires pumped up and the pressure is okay, then you can confirm by pressing OK. And once you have done that, the indicator on the dashboard will disappear. So once again, for example, let's find the surface area by going to the right, find tire pressure, press OK again, confirm by yes, and the run flat indicator restarts. That was it. Thanks for watching. Have a look at our channel for more features and other indicator resets of different model cars, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.